Good morning children and welcome to your EVS class. Dear students, today I am going to teach you our lesson 24 creepy crawly creatures given in page number 47 of your EVS book. Yes children, in this lesson we will read about creepy crawly creature. It means insects. In one word, if we will define creepy crawly creature, it means insects. Do you know why do we call them creepy crawly creatures? Insects are called as creepy crawly creatures because insects are small animals which have wings as well as antenna. All insects have 6 legs and they fly at a very low distance, and they fly with the help of wings. Most of the insects have antenna. You can see that I have made some pictures on the board. I have drawn some pictures of insects on the board. This part of any insect is called as antenna. You will find antenna on the head of any insect. So, what are the main parts of insect? Wings and antenna. Through wings and antenna, they can fly with the help of wings. The insects can fly, and most of the insects have 6 legs. In your book, you can see some of the pictures are given. So, let us identify them and know more about them. In the first picture, you can see that this picture is of a housefly. Yes children, housefly is the most common insect which you can find at your home also. It is a very common insect and it is very small in size, but housefly also have antenna and wings. Housefly can fly from one place to another. Mostly, if you will keep sweets, then you can see housefly near them. So, it is a very common insect that you can see anywhere in your home or outside also. Next is mosquito. Yes, we all get irritated with mosquito because mosquitoes generally sucks our blood. Mosquitoes are very dangerous insect because due to this mosquito, there are different kinds of diseases occur. Mosquitoes spread different kind of diseases such as dengue and malaria. These are very harmful for us, and it is very small, and they are very small, but they are very powerful. They can suck our blood. Next is grasshopper. As the name of this insect is grasshopper, you can identify this very easily. Grasshopper. I have made the picture of grasshopper and I have used green chalk to make this picture. Do you know children, grasshopper is an insect which is green in color, and mostly it is found in green grasses. The color of the grass is green and the color of the insect grasshopper is green. Why it is called as grasshopper? Hop means to jump. Hop means to jump. So you can easily find during in the autumn season, the grasshopper hopping on the green grasses. As the grasses are green and the color of grasshopper is also green, you will not be easy. It is very difficult to find them. But grasshopper is generally found on grasses. You can see it jumps on grass. That is why it is called as grasshopper. Hop means to jump. So grasshopper is the name of an insect which is green in color. Next is cockroach. Yes children, cockroach also have wings and antennas. These are very common insects which you will find in your kitchen. It is mostly found in your kitchen or in your bathroom, in your washrooms. These are very dirty insects. And these insects cause different kinds of disease. It is brown in color and some are red in color, and they can also fly. They have wings as well as antenna. Next is ant. This is an ant. Children, ant is the smallest insect. Ant is the smallest insect, but you will amazed to know about ant because ant can carry more than ant can carry very heavy things also. About 50 times of his weight, it can carry more than 50 times of his weight. So these are very commonly found anywhere. So there are two kinds of ants, red ant and black ant. Next is honey bee. Yes children, we can also say we get honey from bees. So that's why it is called as honey bee. It is also a very common insect, but it is useful for us because we get honey from bees. Honey is good for our health. Honey is very good for our health. If we consume honey, if we will eat honey, we will fall ill less. And so bee gives us honey. So that's why the name of this insect is honey bee. We get honey from honey bees. Last but not the least, here you can see an half-drawn picture in your book. You have to draw the other half of this insect. Can you identify this insect, children? Yes, this is the most beautiful insect. This is the most beautiful insect on earth. And the name of this insect is butterfly. You can see that I have drawn the picture of butterfly on the board. Butterfly has many colors. And it sucks juices from the flowers. You can see butterfly mostly sitting on flowers. You can see butterfly mostly sitting on flowers. It sucks the juice of the flowers, children. And it is the most beautiful insect on this earth. You can find many colors in one butterfly. Some of the butterfly are, you can see, in one color, some carries two colors and some carries many colors. Butterfly are the most beautiful insect, children, and we love to play with butterfly. When we were kids, we used to catch the butterflies. So there are many other insects also, such as housefly. Housefly is also dragonfly. All are insects. So children, in this lesson I have taught you about creepy crawly creatures. The name of the title of this lesson is creepy crawly creatures. But if you want to know about creepy crawly creature, we can say that we are reading about insects. In one word we can call them insects. And what are insects? Insects are small animals which have wings and antenna. With the help of wings and antenna, insects can fly. All insects have 6 legs. The most housefly is commonly seen everywhere. Next is mosquito. Mosquito are very dangerous insects. They cause different kinds of disease such as malaria and dengue, and they sucks our blood. Grasshopper. Grasshopper are green in color and mostly found in green grasses. They jump on grass, that is why they are called grasshopper. Cockroach. You can find cockroach mostly in your kitchen and washrooms. Ants. Yes children, ants are the very tiny little insects that you will find on this earth. Honeybee. Honeybee are the useful one, the most useful insect, because we get honey from honeybees. And the next is butterfly. Butterfly are the most beautiful insects on this earth. You can see different kinds of butterflies, and you can see, you will find different colors in butterfly. Because of different kinds of colors, it looks very beautiful, and butterflies are commonly seen on flowers. So children, I hope the concept about creepy crawly creatures, that is insect, is clear to all of you, and you will watch this video at your home and you will like this video too. Till then, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you children.